Hi, it's Andy Wolf here. Look, I've been making reference to a water program that we plan on doing in Dustin Cook in advance of the Super Series races coming this week. 4 GSs, we have 2 women, then 2 men. We have 2 sections on the hill that are somewhat problematic because of the steepness of the pitch, and when the groomer goes up, there can be some idiosyncrasies to deal with in the snow. Now, this year's a little different because we have so much dry snow up top. We have to deal with it in a different way. So when I say we're doing a water program, what we're doing is there's one section where it's about a bathtub size right now, and we're going to patch it, and we're going to use a method called Swiss cheese, where we're going to drill holes in the snow and then fill it up with water, pack it with snow. The idea is very similar to programs. When you hear water programs for World Cup or NORAMs, there's 2 different types there. One is the cat comes in and cat tracks and rips up the entire hill, and then fireman's nozzle attached to the snowmaking system, and you just fill it up with water, and then the groomer seals it up, and the next morning all the moisture rises to the surface, and you've got a very, very hard and durable race surface. The other technique is to use the water bar, where there's like a reciprocating hose, and the nozzles are pointed down, and under pressure from the snowmaking system, the little jets of water spiral down about 20 centimeters, and then overnight the cold air just draws the moisture to the surface, and you get the same effect. What we're doing is patchwork. The other 2 methods would cover the entire hill. So just those are the distinctions. Program means anything you're working on. You can be working on a net program. It could be A nets or B nets. You can be working on a start ramp program. It's program. So water programs of different types, and the ones we're doing are just premeditated patch. I might even be advocating that after the course set, we do some preparation in advance of just anticipating problems during the race, depending on the temperatures and the race line. And that would happen up top. The patch that we might entertain down below by our section called Waterfall, which is a very quick drop over. There's not much depth in the snow there, and I'm not really sure. We're going to push snow, and then just to firm it up, we might put water in. But we have to be careful doing that because it's right in the line of the skiing public, and they're going to scrape things away. So timing is everything. So those are the different water programs. You get a water bar, spiral it down. You can cat track it and fill it up with water, or what we're doing is patching. Normally patching is done after, if you're doing a race of any length, downhill for sure. As soon as the training run is done, everybody goes down and patches up the track because the track doesn't change. If you're doing Super G, it just might be some patching so that the snow doesn't break up the following days. Anyway, that's a little bit on water programs, and you're going to get wet one way or the other. You're just going to get wet.